Now and they hear for news say they want let go there, they want start to the let go, and already they don't, as I they see the news, they don't start to the let go those innocent people. They don't start to the let go them because say they thought say NSAS. Now NSAS they talk oh. Now NSAS they be talk. Now they go start to the let go them. Why? Why would they let go then? Because say they say NSAS. Because say they say stop embarrassment, embarrassing the citizen. Hey, my country people, hey, my beloved people. This time around, I think we should all put Nigeria, add it to our prayer points. We should all add it to our prayer point this time around. We should add it to our prayer point because what is really going on in Nigeria now, it's not good at all. It's not they fair. Come to Nigeria now, they say Nigeria today now say everything dey expensive. Say they no fit buy food again, they no fit buy food stuff. Everything dey expensive. Say groundnut oil, rice, everything, every food stuff dey expensive now. Because those people come out now come say this thing that they do for that country no good though. Now they begin to dey let go them one by one by one. They begin to dey let go them one by one. What if they really they do? It really no good. It really no make sense. It really no make sense. For how long this kind of life it go stop? For how long this kind thing it no go dey exist again for that country Nigeria? For how long all those things go stop? That country, somebody e no go boast talk. That country, somebody if he travel come that country na big problem. Wetin dey sell for that country? Because now they talk say no good roads, no light, no electricity. Now they start wahala. They begin to they let go the citizen. Now they hear say they go stop Nigeria internet. They will block Nigeria social media. All those their oga kpata maybe say that they control Nigeria Facebook, Nigeria Instagram, all those social media for Nigeria. Now they want to stop them. They don't go meet them for studio now. Go they hurt them for their studio. Don't na the latest news now make day grand now, my beloved brothers and sisters. They don't go meet them for their studio now. Go they hurt them. What they will fit do for their self now? They video their self. They want stop the social media now because say now this thing they no want say make other words, other people in the world they no say what they go on for Nigeria. They want let go those citizens on silence. They want let go them. They want to silence them and let go them just like that. Say the world no go know what they go on for that country Nigeria again anymore. My beloved brothers and sisters, both home and abroad, we should pray for our country Nigeria. Because what is going on in Nigeria now, it's not good, it's not okay, it's not normal. It's not normal, my beloved people. After they don't do the old things finish now, the leaders, they will come here. They will come to Western world here. They say they want it for Western world. The people more come they meet for Western world for here. Now so they do. Now so they handle their citizen. Their citizen get value for where they where. Their citizen get value for where they where. If now don't scatter this thing, let go the citizen finish now. They're going to say now they come Western world for here. Now one can rest for here. My beloved brothers and sisters in the house, please, we should pray for our country, Nigeria. Now, one let go the innocent finish. Now, one let go the poor man finish. I beg, Mr. President, we are pleading on you. We are begging you, please, Mr. President, do something about this. Please. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Thank you. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. My name is Emmanuel Judy. Thank you so much. Like, share, comment, and press the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Goodbye.